that? But wait, why is the sky brown? It's supposed to be blue, isn't it?
Yes, it's supposed to be blue, not brown. But why?
Oh, that's the problem. We can't find the letters.
What are the letters?
It's K-I-D-N-S, B, Q, and P.
Yeah, I didn't know that, but we can't find them. We can't find them because we're lost. They're lost us. Don't scream, Bluebird. Oh, I can't stop. I'm too sad to look. Oh, my eyeballs.
Hey, what's that sound? Do you know?
What was it, Pink Bird? What was that sound?
Look, I hear snoring.
Really? Snoring?
Yes, Bluebird.
I can't find them anywhere. I don't know what they're snoring up to.
It's okay, Bluebird. I know where they are. Follow me, Bluebird.
Please wait one second. Where are the letters?
They're on the fluffy white hill. Come on, follow me, Bluebird. Oh, one more second. The letters are fast asleep on the fluffy white hill. Let's go and find them, Bluebird. Here we go!
This is gonna be impossible. No, I can't.
Okay, we're on fluffy white hill, Bluebird.
Yeah! Let me go! Yeah! No, it's a good Bluebird. No, this is right here. Look! The letters are asleep. What are we gonna do now, Bluebird? I don't know, Pink Bird. Maybe we'll try the rooster sound.
That's a good idea.
Let's try the rooster sound. And when we say cock-a-doodle-doo, the letters will wake up. And the sky will turn blue again. Ready? Here we go!
Cock-a-doodle-doo! Your turn.
Try again.
Cock-a-doodle-doo! Oh no! It didn't work! Oh no, no, no! The letters are still snoring! Your turn.
Oh, okay, Pink Bird. Here goes nothing.
Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Oh no! It's not working! Now I'm gonna have to wake up the letters now.
Don't worry, we'll say it all together. If we say it that very loudly, the letters will rise and shine and they all yawn. If we say it very loudly, the sky will turn blue, the letters will wake up, And they all start to yawn, and they all stand up. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Here we go! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Wait. What's happening? Wait a minute. What's happening? Wait a minute. What's happening? The sky is turning blue. And look. The letters are opening their eyes. And they're waking up. Look. Can you see? Whoa, that was a big yawn. It wasn't me. It was the letters. They yawn. Let's hear it again. Oh, that's a big yawn. The yawn is very contagious. Look, they all wake up. Rise and shine, butters. They standing up. They're all standing up. Go time go, Bluebird. Okay. Which animal are we helping today? Let's find out.